Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to set a live wallpaper on PC. So by the end of this video, you will learn how to do them. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to open our browser right here, and then on the search bar, search for live wallpaper, and then click enter, and then just choose any live wallpaper that you would like to choose. So let's say for example that we want this one right here, and then after that just click download right here, and then let's wait for this to finish. And then the next thing that we need to do is to go on this search bar of the desktop and then search for Microsoft Store, which is this one, and then right here, and then after that on the search bar search for desktop live wallpaper, and then just click enter. And then after that just choose the first app that will pop up on your screen. After that click get, and then let's wait for this to finish. And then once it is done, just click open right here, and then right here just click add photos or videos, and then click pick from PC, and then just look for the videos that we have downloaded. And once you find it, all you have to do is to click it, and then once you do that, you are now good to go. You now have a live wallpaper on your PC. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching Tech Tricks tutorial. I hope you learned something, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day everyone.